Hello friends, today we are going to learn the subjective questions of chapter number 13, Motion and Time. Question number 1, is pendulum an example of periodic motion? Answer, yes, the pendulum is an example of periodic motion. The motion of pendulum starting from one extreme to another extreme and back to the first extreme is called one oscillation. This type of motion is called periodic motion. Question number 2. What do you mean by average speed? State the SI unit of speed. Answer. The average speed of a moving object is defined as the total distance covered by it divided by the total time taken. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Speed is also measured in kilometer per hour. Question number 3. Person A is traveling at 60 km per hour whereas person B is traveling at 25 meter per second. Who is faster? Answer. Speed of person B is equal to 90 km per hour. Speed of person A is 60 km per hour. Hence, person B is faster. Question number 4. A body covers 3 km in 10 minutes, 6 km in 30 minutes and 10 km in 60 minutes. Is the motion of the body uniform? Answer. Speed 1 is equal to 0.3 km per minute. Speed 2 is equal to 0.2 km per minute. Speed 3 is equal to 0.166 km per minute. When a body is in a uniform motion, it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. In the above question, speed in all the three cases is different. Hence, it is not a uniform motion. Question number 5. Rahul runs for 20 minutes at the speed of 20 km per hour, after which he gets tired. He still manages to run for 10 minutes but at a lesser speed of 10 km per hour. How much distance did Rahul cover? Answer. Distance covered in first 20 minutes or 1/3 of an hour, 1/3 of 20 km, since the speed is 20 km per hour. Distance covered in last 10 minutes or 1/6 of an hour, since the speed is 10 km per hour. Total distance covered is equal to 50 upon 6 kilometers. Question number 6. Calculate part A, seconds in a day. Answer. 86,400 seconds. Minutes in a week. 10,080 minutes. Hours in a year. 8,760 hours. Question number 7. Differentiate between rest and motion. Motion. A body is said to be in a state of motion if it changes its position continuously with respect to its surrounding with the passage of time. Example, a bus running on a road, a flying bird, etc. Rest. A body is said to be at rest if it does not change its position continuously with respect to its surrounding with the passage of time. Example, a book lying on a table. Question number 8. Explain uniform motion with the help of an example. Answer. If a body is undergoing uniform motion, it implies that the body would be moving at a constant speed for the duration of motion. It will cover equal distances in identical intervals of time. The seconds hand of a clock undergoes uniform motion since it covers the exact same distance in each and every second. Question number 9. Define the following. Rectilinear motion. Motion along a straight line is known as rectilinear motion. Second, circular motion. Motion along a circle is known as circular motion. Third, curvilinear motion. Motion along a curved line is known as curvilinear motion. Question number 10. A car covers 20 km in the first hour and 30 km in the last 4 hours. Find speed of the car in the first hour, speed of the car in the last 4 hours, and the average speed of the car. Answer. Speed of the car in the first hour is equal to distance upon time, that is equal to 20 km per hour. Second, speed of the car in the last 4 hours is equal to distance upon time, is equal to 7.5 km per hour. Third, total distance covered is equal to 20 plus 30 is equal to 50 km. Total time taken is equal to first plus fourth is equal to 5 hours. Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time, that is 50 upon 5 is equal to 10 km per hour. Question number 11. Raj enters a 100-meter race 5 seconds after Rahul ran. If Raj finishes the race at the same time as Rahul, who ran at 4 meters per second, at what speed did Raj run the race? Distance covered by Rahul at 4 meters per second is equal to 100 meters. Time taken to cover this distance is equal to 25 seconds. Raj started 5 seconds later but finishes at the same time. Hence, time taken by Raj to finish the race is equal to 20 seconds. Distance covered by Raj is 100 meters. Speed at which Raj ran is equal to distance upon time is equal to 20 meters per second. Question number 12. A train leaves station A and reaches station B after 2 hours. If the distance between the station is 200 kilometers, find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour and meter per second. Answer. Distance covered by train in 2 hours is equal to 180 kilometer. Speed of train in kilometer per hour is 90 kilometer per hour. Speed of train in meter per second is equal to 25 meter per second. Question number 13. A girl decides to go for shopping. The mall is 5 km from her home. She covers the first 3 km at a speed of 30 km per hour. She is stuck in traffic for 6 minutes and covers rest of distance at 40 km per hour. How much time did she take to reach the mall? Also find her average speed. Time taken to cover first 3 km is equal to 1 upon 2 hours. Time taken to cover last 2 km is equal to 1 upon 20 hours. Time she was stuck in traffic is equal to 6 minutes is equal to 1 upon 10 hours. Total time taken is equal to 1 by 4 hours. Now average speed is equal to distance upon time is equal to 20 km per hour. Thank you friends. Bye bye.